Golden, unveiling treasures.
Hey guys, I'm Ed Burnett, passionate treasure hunter and keen detectorist. I'm here with Nocta Detectors today and I've got the Legend. This is a detector I've been wanting to review for ages. It's one I've used a lot. I want to talk about what you can do with the Legend, where you can take it, what you can find with it, and most importantly, what sets it apart from the competition. Let's get into it. The Legend is one of only a few detectors in the world that I would describe as a high performance all-rounder. What that means is it's got the technology and search modes that allow it to detect in the goldfields, saltwater beach, and everything in between. Now, of course, with the Legend being a high performance all-rounder, it's fully telescopic, USB rechargeable, has excellent on-screen target ID, and is fully waterproof, perfect for snorkeling and diving. Now, the Legend was designed to make all types of treasure hunting easy, and it does this with the 4 pre-made search modes that I mentioned earlier. The first preset search mode on the Legend is the Park mode. Now, the Park mode is specifically designed for coin and relic hunting and has excellent depth and target ID on coin-shaped targets, but really shines in target-rich environments. The second preset search mode on the Legend is the field mode. It's very similar to Park mode, but separates itself by being a little deeper and optimized for fields where targets are not so densely packed together. The Legend's third preset search mode is the beach mode and utilizes the multi-frequency in a totally different way to the first 2 modes. Now, park and field mode are excellent for identifying targets deep in the ground, which means that you have a very good idea of what you're going to dig before you dig it, while the beach mode gives you amazing performance in salt water where other detectors struggle, allowing you to find coins, rings, and other jewelry in the saltwater sand and even underwater. The fourth and final preset search mode on the Legend is the Goldfields mode and is totally different to the other search modes. Utilizing super high frequencies, the Goldfield mode is far more sensitive to small metal targets like gold nuggets and synergizes perfectly with the small LG15 search coil because of its further increased sensitivity to smaller targets. Now, the 4 preset search modes we talked about, Park, Field, Beach, and Gold, are already extremely well optimized, meaning that new users can use this machine with confidence, knowing that the machine is already set up right. Once you're comfortable with the Legend's 4 preset search modes, there's also a heap of settings that you can get into, making the Legend perfect for all skill levels. Now, staying consistent to Nocta's high standards, the quality, ergonomics, and user interface are excellent and build on the extremely popular Simplex Plus, one of the best-selling detectors in the world. Utilizing carbon fiber for the lower shaft, well-engineered coil ears, arm cuff, and telescopic shaft, the Legend is a very tough bit of kit. The low weight of the Legend and rubberized ergo handle also make it a pleasure to swing all day. On top of that, the Legend also sports an LED flashlight, a backlit screen, and boasts vibration feedback for the hearing impaired and underwater detecting. Within the metal detecting community, it's become clear that Nocta want to do things differently. They've become well known for listening to the users, their great online presence, and their interaction with the community, which leads to well-developed products, great accessories, and worthwhile performance upgrades along the way. The Legend is backed by a full 3-year warranty, and with Nocta licensed service centers in the US, Europe, UK, and Australia, you can have the peace of mind that your Legend is fully supported locally. The Legend is even serviceable down to the component level, which means that any worn parts down the track can be repaired rather than replacing the whole unit. All these factors speak volumes for why Nocta is the fastest growing company in the metal detecting industry. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been my pleasure to review this machine. If you've got any questions, please ask me in the comment below, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We're going to be doing more out in the field detecting, as well as some interesting setups on this machine in the near future. Please visit noctadetectors.com if you want to learn more about it. Cheers.